Hello, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips, and in this episode I'll be showing you how to draw an absolute value graph using Inkscape, like this one. First of all, I'll select this and delete. We'll start again. To draw a graph, any graph, using Inkscape's function plotter, we need a rectangle, and that will serve as the bounds of the graph. Under Extensions, Render, and Function Plotter. And I've already set the range. You can change this if you wish. 300 points is a good idea. Now interestingly, the function is not abs, it's fabs. Perhaps function absolute, but that's a slight difference in the Python programming language that Inkscape uses compared to conventional maths functions, which would be abs probably. Anyway, you can see another change there is the double asterisk means power in the Python language. That's about all you have to really know that's different for most functions for Inkscape and maths. So FABS or fabs, and then enclose the function, which is x squared minus 4 in brackets. I've decided to clip with a rectangle, so I'll cut off any graph that goes outside the rectangle I've drawn here. Then I'll remove it, and I'll draw axes which I can then modify. If I have a look at the live preview, that'll determine any errors. No, that looks okay. Apply and close, and there I have it. Selection tool, if I click anywhere on that graphic, not in a blank area but on something within the graphic, axis or graph, then Control-Shift-K breaks it apart into separate axis and graph, because otherwise it's all one object. That allows me to click on the axes. I can shift click to select more than one and increase the width of the axis to say 0.5 or 0.4, and put an end on the axis, perhaps this one here. Sometimes you have to search further down this drop down list. It puts the more recent ones at the top, but find something you like. Click away and then click on the graph, and I'll increase that. I usually use about 0.7 millimetre, and shift click on the colour, and there we have our graph. I can use the text tool to label the axes or the function, but I thought I'd just introduce you to those couple of slightly different commands that Python uses within Inkscape. I have a list of functions, and you can search the internet for this, but I'll just go to it here, and there are some of the functions. You can see there's the fabs function and a description. Most of these you wouldn't need for conventional high school maths. Perhaps the one that you would use is log x, then comma and the base. Anyway, that completes this tutorial, and as always, thanks for watching.